Okay, again, this is review 6-1 for math models. So state the inverse of the following equations. We're going to do the first 4 in this video. We'll do the next 4 in the next video. Remember, with inverses, first thing you do is switch the x and y. So we're going to write x equals the third root of y plus 4. All right. There's nothing outside the root, nothing out front, nothing out back. So what we're going to go ahead and do is, since it's a cube root, we'll cube both sides. Okay. So this becomes x to the third power equals y plus 4. Then last but not least, we'll subtract 4 from both sides. X cubed equals y. X cubed minus 4 equals y. Cool. Basically, switch x and y, throw everything to the other side one at a time. You just got to do them in the right order. Number 8, same idea. Find the inverse. Start off. X equals the third root of y minus 8 plus 2. Now this time we do have something out back, so we have to move that over first, so that becomes a x minus 2 equals the third root of y minus 8. Now we can cube both sides. It's a third root, so we'll raise it to the third power. Alright, so we're left with x minus 2 to the third power equals y minus 8, and the last thing I gotta do is move the 8. So it's still x minus 2 to the third power plus 8 equals y. And that's that. All right. Number 9, same idea. If you haven't stopped and tried number 9 and 10 on your own, go for it. But if you're not, pausing on it, keep going. So here we go. Again, x and y. X equals 2. Third root of x minus 5 minus 6. All right, now we have two things out. We've got one out front, one out back. We've got to move them both. So that becomes an x plus 6 equals 2 to the third root of x minus 5. And then since the 2 is multiplying, we'll divide by the 2. So x plus 6 divided by 2 equals the third root of x minus 5. Cool? All right, not last but not least, but from here we'll go ahead and cube the entire thing to get rid of the exponent. To get rid of the root, that is. So we're left with x plus 6 over 2, that's not changing, to the third power equals x minus 5. And the last thing to do, get rid of the 5. So x plus 6 over 2 to the third power plus 5 equals y. And you know what, I just realized I did that entire thing with x's instead of y's. That should be a y, that should be a y, that should be a y, and that should be a y. Oops, don't do that on your test. Number 10. Try this one on your own if you can, but if you're freaking out, just, here we go. X equals 1/2 third root of 5x minus 3 plus 4. Alright? That's not an x, it's supposed to be a y. Ooh, that's kind of a big one. 5y minus 3. Alright, so we got to deal with 1/2 and the 4 first. So that becomes x minus 4 equals 1/2 third root of 5y minus 3. And remember, with all fractions, the top multiplies, the bottom divides. So to get rid of a 2, we need to multiply by 2. So it becomes 2x minus 8 equals the third root of 5y minus 3. Okay, and if you need to look at that for a second, go for it. Alright, from here, raise both sides to the third power. So I've got 2x minus 8 to the third power equals 5y minus 3. Then, last but not least, we've got to move the 3 and the 5. Almost there. So we've got 2x minus 8 to the third plus, not 8, plus 3 equals 5y. And then I'm going to rewrite all this over here to get 2x minus 8 to the third power plus 3 over 5 equals y. And that is your final answer. Okay?